Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm actually going to do an unboxing video. I'm getting prepped for my next project, and my partner for this is Karbonius, one of the best carbon fiber manufacturers in the world, and they're out of Spain. I just received their shipment today, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I actually wanted to do an unboxing, not just the installation. The quality of this, no matter how good my camera is, it's not going to show what it's like to actually have these components in your hand and see the quality of what they look like and the gloss, the shine. It's amazing. So let's show you what's coming out of the box. I'm here in Seattle. I want to stress they shipped from Spain, and they shipped really securely, not only in basically a double-walled box, packed thoroughly. Every component was wrapped not only in paper to help pad it, but then saran wrap over the top of that. It all packed in here perfectly. They even glued the box top. So if we look at this and we pull the components out, I am just amazed by this. So let's start with the door pull. So this would be to replace the door pull on my F32. And this is amazing. This is a full replacement piece. This is not just a cap or something else that goes over the top. This is a full replacement piece. Gloss is absolutely perfect. The weave is perfect. Looks just amazing. So I've got a matching one as well for the other side. Everything was wrapped super securely. I mean, I'm just thoroughly impressed with all of this. And look at this. Oh, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really hoping my camera can do this justice, because this is some gorgeous work. Absolutely perfect. If you look at this, just wow. Absolutely wow. So those are the two door pulls. Then we'll have the vent surround on the driver's side. I have the red trim interior, and they've matched the red just absolutely perfectly. It's just amazing. So you've got the carbon piece, frequently called the high design, because sometimes there's a high and low design. This would be the high design. Absolutely seamless. Looks absolutely perfect. So replacing the entire vent. Just gorgeous. And I want to take care of this. I'm setting everything down, to make sure that it looks perfect. Now, I have the piano black interior in my F32 that it's just a fingerprint magnet. It gets scuffed. It seems to get scratched really easily. I cannot be more excited. So this will be the center console around the iDrive. Again, not just a cover. There's so many little covers, shell covers you can get. This is a full replacement piece. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if I can catch it. I mean, absolutely flawless. The sheen is just perfect. The gloss is just absolutely perfect. I could not be more excited about this, if you couldn't doubt. And then, last but not least, the whole center dash piece, which again is red trim for me, but that piano black was just, I can wipe it down and I look back at it and it's got fingerprints on it. Don't ask me how. So this was wrapped up so securely, I've already partially unwrapped it just because it is so all wrapped up. It had paper, it had saran wrap, it had everything all wrapped up super tightly all the way around it. Let's get this out here. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. The red will match perfectly. Got good shine off the carbon fiber there all the way through. Absolutely beautiful. And I can't get over how great this is. The quality of this work. I could not be more excited by this. The work that they've done and the quality they put out. Karbonius does many carbon fiber things for many different brands. And what they're looking at doing here for the F30 and the F32 is absolutely just gorgeous. So forgive me doing an unbox video. I hadn't planned on it, but I was just so excited to show the quality of the product coming from Karbonius. They're a really neat company out of Spain, and they shipped it perfectly. It arrived quickly and was packaged absolutely flawlessly. So I'm going to be really excited to show the installation of this into my car, but I really wanted to share what it looked like coming out of the box, because this isn't, a simple overlay or something cheap. These are high quality perfection. I cannot recommend them more highly. What a cool company. Look forward to my next video. If you subscribe, you'll see it coming out. You'll get a notification of the installation video, and you can see how you could do this for your car. All right, see you on my next video.